So it says, please exit, lock and alarm the vehicle before installation starts. Okay, so let's get out of here. Let's do that. Jump out the car. Go to settings here, and then if you have to scroll right to the bottom of the list, and it's software updates here, and it says the vehicle software did not install. New software is downloaded and ready. Okay, estimated install time. Last software update. So I thought it had installed. It said there, but it's saying here that the last installed software update was on the 8th of October. Okay, so let's do update now. So exit, lock the vehicle before the installation starts. Now it's done this 3 times now. I'm not sure why it's not. I mean, it says it's installed and ready to go. So I'll get out the car. Get out the car. Yeah, lock it. Once, twice, gives me a little pop. So there we go. Let's see if that does it. So over the weekend I've tried 3 times to upgrade the software unsuccessfully. Now it may be I've got poor reception, but that doesn't seem to make any sense because it says it's downloaded and ready. So I'm not quite sure, but I've arrived at work now, so let's have a look and let's update it now and see if anything happens. It says 40 minutes. Obviously if it doesn't do it, I'm gonna have to contract Land Rover. But let's have a go. We'll get my teenage son George to help me. Probably the job. Let's have a see how it goes. Okay, so I've left it an hour at least. So let's see if it's updated the software. Now, it doesn't seem to tell you when you power up. It seems to be when you turn off. Obviously that's when you'll be stopping and be the most convenient time to do the update. Settings. New software did not install. New software is ready. So I'm having trouble installing it. Now there's one last thing I am gonna try, and I have got the overhead console out because I'm playing with doing a installation for a dash cam and trying to work out the wiring up there. So let me plug that back in, but even so it should come up and say like a reason for it, so I'm a bit puzzled. Okay, so let's try it again. Update now. Exit car, lock car, give it one last time. The overhead console's all in now, so the car is, as far as I'm concerned, all back together. Let's lock that. There we go. Right, let's have a look. Has it got its software updated? What message will it give me? If it's going to congratulate me on anything. Apparently not. Go into the settings. Software updates. Keep your vehicle. Let's have a look. Software updates. Yeah, so it didn't install it. So I'm going to have to talk to Land Rover. I've tried multiple times. I've put the car back together. It's not up. It's not installing my updates. So there we go. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Maybe Land Rover can tell me, in which case I'll share it with everybody. But there you go. Let's see what happens.